So today we're speaking with Fernando Carminholi from Hubbard-Hall, which will be exhibiting at Surfin in June. Fernando, thanks for joining us today.
Hi, thank you, Tim. Thank you so much. I expected to see you at our booth at number 526.
At 526, I will be there. Yes, I'll certainly stop by with that. So for those who may not know, just give us a brief overview of Hubbard-Hall, all that you all offer. I know you're doing a lot of cleaning, parts cleaning and things like that, but tell us a little bit about Hubbard-Hall, if you could.
Okay. Hubbard-Hall is a chemical manufacturer that we are talking with on this trade show about different kind of cleaning. So we're into the solvent cleaning, aqueous cleaning as well, into wastewater chemicals, coloring, rust preventative, paint stripper. But specifically on this trade show, we're going to talk about cleaning and wastewater.
Gotcha. Okay, great. And so let's talk about your booth 526. People coming to the show, can you give us a little idea of, what they'll see in the booth, what you'll all want to be, what the information they can get about your particular products? Can you give us kind of an overview of the booth then?
Sure. So at this trade show, we're introducing ArborTech, which is a membrane filtration, is a metallic membrane filtration that will physically separate the oil from the cleaner, and you can reclaim the cleaner. If you're having a cleaning line and asking how to save money and with a better results using less chemistry, that definitely we can help you. Especially on this product shortage and price increase, everybody's looking for cost reduction. So this membrane will reclaim 98% of the cleaner and get back as a fresh product. This is a equipment that works on the sweet spot for aqueous cleaner based on the emulsified cleaner and racking tanks, soaking tanks. If you dump this cleaner every month or so, and you want to save money, so if you're looking for cost reduction, do chemical savings and no dumping in your cleaner. If you're looking for quality increase, having a better experience with cleaning with no oil drag out in your line, and looking for downtime, reducing the downtime, all the time that you stop your line to clean and put back your cleaner in the good condition, and you could producing by this time, especially on this employee shortage as well. This is the right equipment. We're having this equipment working different kind of customers that easily we can have a assessment in your line and understand if it will be a good fit or not.
Right. So, and this ArborTech is a new acquisition for Hubbard-Hall. It's really worked well with you all, with your existing products and everything else you got. Really been a tremendous addition to your product line, then, hasn't it?
Exactly. That is ArborTech is a acquisition that we made last summer. It's almost a year. We are running through our existing customers and introducing this technology. This is a different than other membrane filtration. This is a metallic membrane filtration. I mean, I've been in a customer that used the same equipment for 15 years. They working 24/7 for like a phosphate line, and they're using on their cleaner, and they still with the same efficiency. So without the equipment, they supposed to dump the cleaner every 10 days, and with the equipment, they're working with 6 months with the same cleaner, just adding back. And on this way, the equipment, they separate the oil from the cleaner without stripping any kind of surfactant or builder from the cleaner.
Wow, that's a tremendous improvement on that. So, yeah, booth 526, and people can stop by. You'll be there, I'm sure, and some of the other people, and I'll stop by. I'll stop by to see it too. So, listen, thank you, Fernando. I appreciate you giving us an update. And for more information, people can visit the HubbardHall website and read more about that technology, and then come and see you all there the first week of June at Surfing. Thanks for joining us.
Definitely. Thank you so much. We're expecting to see you in Rosemont, and we welcome all the everyone that is looking for a better cleaning and better results.